Hey guys, are you tired of Netflix and want to unsubscribe, but you don't know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unsubscribe from your Netflix plan. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Netflix. You can scroll down and look at all the different movies and series. But right now, we're tired of everything and we simply want to unsubscribe. So let's begin. At the top right, you will find your profile icon, simply hover over it. And from here, something like this will open up. Just go to this account tab right here and click on it. From this, what you want to do is simply go to this membership tab right here. And once you're in this membership tab, simply scroll down. And here's the cancel membership button right here. Simply click on it. And you will be redirected to a new page. Well, there are lots of options here, like simply finishing cancellation, pausing for 1 month, or changing to basic. In case you want to completely cancel your membership, click on this finish cancellation button right here. Else, if you just want to pause for 1 month, click on this button. There's also an option to change to basic. Click on any one among those and simply follow the prompts. And then you can either change or cancel your membership in one click. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you cancel your Netflix membership. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.